onions are ingredients. Good evening. Good morning. Good morning, my friends. Whenever you're tuning into my YouTube channel, I just want to try to appreciate you for those who have tried to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Continue subscribing for the newcomers. I just want to appreciate you. As also, I wish you a very nice morning, because at this part where I'm just light now, it's just early in the morning, exactly 7:30 a.m. I would like just to ensure that I manage to take a look concerning this area, and also I'm going to tell you concerning some other plants that I have discovered that they play a very great role to the body of human being. Today, I've just had around here, just the birds are just chanting. I've just see the sun have shone. There are no trees around here. But we just have grass, just grasses here around, and small plants. These are small plants here, and that's how this area look like. Can see building are just from the below part. You can just think that if they have been dug, they have been built under the soil. That's how they look like. Previously we talked about mangoes and avocado, but today I just wanted to remind you that avocado, in spite that is a fruit originated from Mexico, being found in coastal, eastern, western, and also central eastern part, also in Kwale, Malindi there. It also play a very great important role to the body of human being. The role to play, it is that when it happened that you have taken a tea leaf, a cup of tea leaves, my friend, you never disappointed, because you'll help to control the level of cholesterol in your body. You'll also fight several diseases in your body. When it happened that you also taken these tea leaves of avocado, they'll help to fight several diseases. Also, when you take also the muscular esculator, if you wish you can just call it okra, and in Swahili is well known as dania. My brother, ever asked yourself concerning this plant? It's a very good plant that really protects, not only that it protects, also it helps in fighting against several diseases in the body of a human being. Okra is widely spread in tropical, subtropical, and also temperate regions, warm temperate region, and also is well in just native in Africa, Indian, and also found in Philippines, Thailand, and Brazil. These have been the origin of this okra plant, and it have been discovered that it really cure a lot of diseases. It has a hairy body, stem of about 2 meter height, and also it has hairs on its body. It has hairs on its body, and it can be eaten where it goes well in salad, also goes well in onions, tomatoes, vinegar, lemon vinegar, and also it can be eaten raw, and sometimes in many occasions being cooked. This vinegar, this okra, is a plant, is a herbal plant that can be used to cure several diseases. It contains antioxidant substances, and that help in fighting and also releasing oxidant stress. Oxidant stress, when released from the liver, it helps to control glycogen. This plant, okra, it helps in fighting, also is good for individuals who are going through the problem of diabetes. It helps in problem of heart, where it lower the it also lower the cholesterol level. To lower the cholesterol level. It also fights fatigue. It also fights fatigue, and it also protect and also prevent cancer. For the people who are suffering from diabetes, you just advise to take it raw. You can just take it, you just cut into small portion, and take a glass full of water and just quench the pieces of okra inside the water and drink while raw. Sometimes you can chew it well low. These okra are of different variety. We have a green that has a green coloring matter, and others has a red coloring matter. But the green one is popular and also widely spread in several locations and also countries, and not only country but worldwide. You can just be advised that when you meet across such a plant, just advised to purchase it or to just take it, to be educated. The education, how I'm going to take you a look about these plants. I'm just going to just show you how they look like, a view about them, and sometimes I can just take a picture about them and also show you how they look like. For today also, we are going to manage to take a look about several of them, and just stay locked, and I'm going to inform you how we are going to take this session. As we are just going ahead, we are taking a look about Petanostabine, lead pear, ablus. This is a seed. This is a plant that contains seeds that are very dangerous due to glycoprotein sets that it contains. By containing glycoprotein sets, this makes red pear Petanostabine very dangerous. Petanostabine, in spite that is very dangerous, it has been discovered that is very useful and can be used to play very exciting games. One of them is a game that's being played when you just take a log divide it into two different parts. At the center of it, you dug holes. After digging holes, dug a number of holes, and at the end, you just dug a very big one, two big holes, and other different holes of small size at a very small diameter of a small circumference. When you dug there, you just take a red pear beans, all seeds. You just drop them inside, and after dropping them inside, you just play with an individual of where individuals sit at the opposite side. You just play it on a very exciting game. In spite of that is what is well known about this red pear, the red pear also can be used, in spite of being very dangerous, being a very dangerous plant in the world. It is also being found in the part of Africa, Asia, Pacific, Australia, islands, and this plant is well known that it can be existing year around, and also it exists from a local village where I come from, Nyabwansi. It also exists there. This lead pear, it has thorns. It has thorns. It can be grown. It can be grown. It can be planted. This red pear is very useful because it has got leaves, and it's a plant that grow of a meter, of 6 to 9 meter height. And in spite of that, it grow at such a height, it can also be used to cure several diseases. How to use this plant for you to get being cured? You just take a handful of its leaf, and also because its leaf contain anti-inflammatories, it contains which inflammatories that help to fight fever. It also fights against asthma when cooked. When you cook it, you reduce its harmfulness, and in spite that it's very harmful, also it can be used to kill. It is also very dangerous because it can be used to kill because it consists of glycoprotein. These glycoprotein are very dangerous. When it happens that a child or children have taken it can lead to death of someone.